If Outlook is not receiving emails on your Android phone, try these quick fixes. First, refresh the app. For this, from the top of the inbox, swipe down and wait a few seconds. If this did not work, then tap your profile picture on the top left and tap the gear icon in the bottom left. Tap Accounts, tap your email, scroll down, tap Sync Settings and reset sync settings. Now go back, turn off the focus email section. After that, close the Outlook app, go to Settings and scroll down until you find the app management. Search for Outlook, open Outlook setting, tap Battery and select Unrestricted instead of Optimized. Now go back, tap Mobile Data and Wi-Fi and turn these options on. First, background data, and second is unrestricted data usage. After that, open Google Play Store and search for Outlook and update the app to the latest version. After trying these steps, this will fix the issue. Well, it will start working again.